Your kitchen is the heart of your home. It's where meals are made, memories are shared, and life unfolds. At Kitchen Co., we believe your kitchen cabinets should be more than just storage. They should reflect your style, meet your needs, and stand the test of time. Whether you're dreaming of a sleek, modern design or a warm, rustic look, we offer a wide range of styles and finishes to make your vision a reality. Our skilled craftsmen use only the finest materials, ensuring every cabinet is built with precision and care. We take pride in our seamless installation process, handling every detail to ensure your cabinets are perfectly fitted and ready for use. Transform your kitchen, transform your home. Visit us on www.kitchencabinets.tel.
This is a sample video which can be customized to suit your business. Learn more at onlinebillboards.com.